Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Grip News 2M. I'm Daniel, and today we have an exciting topic lined up for you: how to invest $1 million. Whether you've won the lottery, received an inheritance, or built up your wealth over time, investing a significant sum like $1 million requires careful planning and prudent decision making. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the golden rule of investing: diversification. Spreading your funds across various assets helps reduce risk and maximize returns. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative assets like cryptocurrencies or startups. Seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor is crucial when handling large sums of money. A seasoned professional can assess your risk tolerance and financial goals, and devise a personalized investment strategy to match your needs. Remember to set aside an emergency fund. This safety net ensures that you have cash on hand to cover unexpected expenses, protecting your investments from unnecessary withdrawals during tough times. Next, prioritize paying off high-interest debts. Clearing off debts not only reduces financial stress but also frees up additional capital that can be redirected towards your investment ventures. When investing a substantial sum, think long-term. Patience is key. Consider investing in stable, well-established companies and industries with growth potential, as they can yield substantial returns over time. Now, let's address risk management. While higher returns are enticing, they often come with increased risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Allocate your $1 million wisely to minimize exposure to any single investment. Educate yourself about the various investment options available. Understand the market trends, study company financials, and stay informed about economic developments. Knowledge is power, and it will empower you to make informed investment decisions. Don't forget about tax planning. Depending on your country and local regulations, certain investment strategies might have tax advantages. Consult with a tax professional to optimize your investment plan and minimize tax liabilities. So, there you have it, valuable tips on how to invest $1 million. Remember, investing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another. Always consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Grip News 2M for more insightful content. Until next time, stay financially savvy and invest wisely.